New day, new light. Stepped out in the morning, sun kissed on my face. Something in the way I'm moving feels like I'm in a better place. Used to chase the shadows, now I chase the spark. And every step feels lighter since I followed my own heart. And I can feel it now, the world open and wide. No more looking back, just forward with the tide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like where my heart is going, and it's taking me somewhere bright. I'm letting go of what was slowing me, stepping into all my life. I felt stuck in the quiet, now I dance with the sound. Once my hope was a whisper, now it echoes all around. I'm not just surviving,